Mine ain't recording. Mine's not recording.
Okay, ready, y'all?
That's recording. You gotta get set up now.
I love this. This is adorable.
My battery's dead, man. I wish it wasn't.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, wait. I'll make sure you're in the shot here.
All right, we're back. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! That's good. I love it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's another one. He's recording me at the same time.
You gotta do it to a vlog.
There you go. It's another one that I didn't run it. Well, he wasn't here yesterday. This was midlife with a bike.
Right, that's a sweet B ride.
Yeah, that's a sweet B ride. If you ever watch his videos, the link's posted in my description. It's kind of funny. You'd have to catch up on that one.
Absolutely.
It is funny. But we're running into all kinds of people here today. We're going to have so much fun, and they ain't funny. I know you're wishing you were here.
Alright guys, well that's it for the Get On Moto Fest. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, get home. I got a bunch of parts to put on my bike and a whole bunch of editing. I couldn't stay the whole day. I wanted to meet a lot more of you guys, especially the small channel YouTubes that basically are really one big family. But it's been really cool, and I can't wait. Maybe next year if we do this, we need to like group a rally and we all like meet and ride, do our own little thing.